Hello and welcome to Saving to Live. My name is Shay, and today's Ally Invest video is going to speak to you about managed portfolios. A quick rundown is pretty much Ally is able to do all investing for you like people did back in the day, but they actually paid somebody to do it. So Ally came out and was like, okay, we're not going to give you no advisory fees. You can start with as little as $100 and you don't basically you get no fees at all. They do it all for free to you, but you also have 24/7 support, and there is a real person, not a robot, choosing, picking, buying, selling your stocks, bonds, or whatever else they utilize based upon the type of brokerage account that you want to use. Now, this is a type of account that has a 30% of your cash set aside for a buffer, which goes against market volatility. Now, you do have the option of saying, look, I'm interested in a portfolio with a less cash holding, which is considered their market focus option. Then you will need to contact Ally so that you can get that, but there is a fee for that. So when it comes to choosing your managed portfolio, there are different options. You can choose a core option, which is highly diversified across domestic, international, and fixed income assets. You're more of a hands-off investor, you want to consider that type of portfolio. If you're more into income, that one offers higher dividend yields while maintaining a more conservative risk profile. And if you're more focused on like income, this is the type of portfolio you want to choose. And then you have the tax optimized. If you make after tax contributions to an investment account, this type of IRA may help maximize your investment. They also use a diverse mix of tax advantage, low cost exchange traded funds, and consider this one as your go to. Then there's the socially responsible one, shaped by companies with an ethical track record. You only invest in a business that actively practice sustainability, energy efficiency, and other environmentally friendly initiatives. That is the one you want to choose. So those are the main four that Ally provides for their managed portfolios. So I'm going to show you my managed portfolio. I have one that's a core and I have one that's an income. So you can have, I don't know if there's a limit, but I have two because I only like those two. I may automatically do a socially responsible one and a tax one, but right now I want to focus on two because I don't even really put a lot of money in those because I forget about them. But let me just show you what you do. So when you come into your Ally Invest portfolio, you have to come here to the manage portfolio section here. Choose the drop arrow and you get these different options. So when you click on performance, it will take you to whatever the first one you opened up to, which is this one for me. So right here, it gives me an overall view of what has transpired since I opened my account September 8th, 2020 with account balance of $999.05. I'm not sure why that number is there. I think I might have took some money out. But anywho, so then I went ahead and added some more money here, added some more money here, and now I'm at that part. Now, when you come down, it actually breaks down what has transpired. So when I initially opened up this account, I kind of was like, well, I don't trust Ally. I don't want them doing anything with my money if I can't see what they're doing. So I withdrew all of my money. So you can take your money out. You would just come up here and do a transfer of funds and whatever money you have before you do any type of before Ally divvies up your money into buying stocks and stuff, you can do that withdrawal. But if they already use all your money to go into different stocks and stuff, you have to contact them so they can, sell everything off and then get the money settled into your account and then you can transfer everything out. As you can see here, no advisory fees or any other fees or credit. So, that's automatically good. So if you're a person that basically wants to get into investing, but you're afraid, you don't know what you're doing, you don't feel confident, basically try the Ally Invest Managed Portfolio first. Choose between the four and then go from there. And then you can definitely contact Ally. I've talked to many people and they've been really informative. They've been very, patient, and they have gone above and beyond to tell me what's happening. So coming back to this managed portfolio one, going to portfolio. This is going to give me 100% breakdown. Right now, you see this is my income portfolio. It tells you again what this portfolio is pretty much doing. And it tells me I have US stocks, international bonds, US bonds, and my 30% buffer cash. Coming down, you see all the breakdown in the different stocks and things. In my cash, I have $775 and I receive interest earned. Now, the best part about this is that as you see here, I receive interest on the money that sits in this cash account of 1%. This is higher than what anybody is giving right now on any savings account, period. So this is also a perk when you are doing a managed portfolio, because not only do you have somebody going out and finding the best way for you to grow your money, you also have money set aside to help you in case the market goes crazy, and you get interest on that. That's, I mean, like, what else can you really ask for? So coming back up here again, going to the goal tracker, Ally does give you this option of a goal tracker. If you have, for me, I had income, I just put a goal of $10,000. They automatically say, hey, well, if you add this amount once, or if I deposit $39 a month, I'll have a likely chance of meeting my goal. And you can always choose to edit your goal by going here and choosing a different amount. So I'm going to just say 5,000, and then it automatically ups everything regarding that, and it already shows, well, if I do this amount one time or do this amount every month, I'll meet my goal. I really like this because if I do want to use this money for something specific, I can definitely change it out in the goal, and they can guide me on how to do this. It's very similar to the savings bucket situation, how they let you know, hey, if you deposit this much a month or this much one time, you can get to your goal much quicker. So I do like that Ally always does that. Coming down to the visualize potential area, you can, put more money in just to see, again, to help you with figuring out how to get to that goal. And you can shake up your investments. Trying out new allocations can affect the bottom line. So I can always just choose the different approach with my actual portfolio, and then I'll click simulate changes to see how that goes, and then I can actually get them to do that based upon my changes. So again, you don't even have to do anything besides come on here, make what you want change wise, and then Ally will go right ahead and do everything you want. If you want to have more of a, hey, can you help me plan this out based upon what I really feel like I want to do in my head, give them a call and they'll definitely walk you through it. So choosing the investment profile one basically is showing that I'm currently looking to generate investment income. I have liquids, I have already saved, and I have my goal amount. Tell me the time frame of what that pretty much will be based upon what I stated when they asked me the questions in the beginning. Again, you can always make changes. You can always make changes in your managed portfolio, even though you're not the one making the investment calls. You can tell them what you want either by the website or by calling them on the phone, and they will definitely go through everything you're looking to do. And for over here, just so you can see your current portfolio income, if I choose a down arrow, it just gives you more information about that. And then you can click on these links as well just to see about your pie chart. But my second one that I have, I'm gonna go here. This is my second managed portfolio. Is this the same one? Okay, so yeah, okay, here we go. So this is my second one, and this one right here is my core. And again, it's the same thing. I just wanted to have both options. And as you can see, my core option, which is long-term growth, has a net earnings so far of up 9%. However, when I went to my other one, which is the income one, I'm only up 2.10%. And I think it's because of the again what they have put my money in, showing me different ways of growth. So this is like, what you pretty much will have idea wise of where your money is going to go. So just check those out. It's a great option if you just really want to get into stock, and but you're afraid to do it yourself. They definitely can help you. I hope this video was helpful. Any questions, leave it in my comments, and make sure you check out my Ally Invest playlist and subscribe. Have a great one.